Sudan, a country located in northeast Africa, has a long history of political and social unrest. Since gaining independence in 1956, the country has experienced over 15 military coups. The 21st century has been particularly turbulent, marked by prolonged instability, racial and ethnic tensions, and a revolution that ended with a coup d'état. Sudan's history is deeply intertwined with its colonial past. From 1899 to 1956, the country was jointly administered by the British and Egyptians. This period sowed the seeds of conflict, as the Arab-Muslim North and the non-Arab, predominantly Christian or animist South, struggled for power and resources. The first major eruption of violence occurred in 1955, even before Sudan gained full independence. The southern regions, feeling marginalised, rebelled against the central government in Khartoum, marking the beginning of the First Sudanese Civil War. This conflict lasted until 1972, when the Addis Ababa Agreement granted autonomy to the south, temporarily calming hostilities. However, the fragile peace was shattered in 1983, when the Sudanese government, under President Ghaffar Nimeri, revoked the South's autonomy and imposed Islamic law nationwide. This sparked the Second Sudanese Civil War, a devastating conflict that lasted over 2 decades. The conflict intensified in 2003 with the outbreak of violence in Darfur, a region in western Sudan. This conflict, fueled by ethnic and political tensions, resulted in widespread displacement and humanitarian crises. In 2005, the Comprehensive Peace Agreement was signed, leading to the secession of South Sudan in 2011. The secession of South Sudan had a significant impact on Sudan's economy, leading to a loss of oil revenues and economic instability. This, coupled with long-standing grievances, sparked mass demonstrations in December 2018, culminating in the removal of President Omar Hassan el-Bashir in April 2019. The removal of Bashir brought a glimmer of hope for a democratic transition, but it was short-lived. In October 2021, a military takeover took place, dissolving key government structures and suspending the 2019 constitutional charter. This event plunged Sudan back into turmoil, leading to a full-scale conflict between the Sudanese Armed Forces, SAF, and the Rapid Support Forces, RSF.